Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you my new phone holder that I got for my tripod, because without that we can't really attach the phone and do any videos. That's what I got. It's made by Hama. It says that it adjusts between 55 and 82 millimeters. Let's see what we got in the box. They did a really good job packing it, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay. And this is what we got in the box. Over here, at the top of the tripod, we got this nice removable plate. That's how you release it. And if you put it back on quickly, you just tap on it and it's done. So now let's see how the holder is going to go on. There's a screw over here. And of course, the way it should be done should go just like that. Okay. I think we're going to need a screwdriver. But before that, let's see how we want to adjust the plate on the top of it over here. Okay. So we need a holder like that. Tighten up the screw. Just don't over that. That's it. Now let's see how the phone's gonna go. Over here is where we push it to put the phone in. So let's see, like that. Okay. And it's pretty stable. I really like it. And now we are ready to start shooting some nice new videos. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do it down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.